Thank you very much, Deputy President. We'll now proceed to question number 2. This question is on Financial Action Task Force Grey List, FATF Grey List. It's from Honorable Ryder and is directed to the Deputy President. Deputy President.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson. Honorable Chairperson, the Financial Action Task Force, it's a global intergovernmental body that promotes policies and sets international standards relating to combating money laundering, terrorist financing, and financing the proliferation of weapons of mass destruction. During its plenary held on the 24th of February this year, the Financial Action Task Force grey listed South Africa based on the evaluation conducted in 2019 and the report 2021. The report identified South Africa as one of the countries with strategic deficiencies in relation to anti-money laundering and countering the financing of terrorism. South Africa was put country to address 67 of the recommended actions. According to the Financial Action Task Force, South Africa has made significant progress by addressing 52 of the 67 recommended actions. And we are now, Honorable Chairperson, focusing on the remaining 15 actions, which we should meet by January 2025. So that's the deadline that we have been given to finalize the remaining 15. Furthermore, Cabinet has mandated the Interdepartmental Committee on Anti-Money Laundering and Countering Terrorism Financing to address the identified deficiencies expeditiously. This includes overseeing the implementation of the National Strategy on Anti-Money Laundering and Countering Terror Financing and tracking progress in addressing the identified deficiencies. Honorable Chairperson, our law enforcement agencies, including the NPA, are implementing an integrated action plan to ensure a sustained increase in investigations and prosecutions of serious and complex money laundering cases. The action plan focuses on cases involving professional money laundering networks and also third-party money laundering, as well as identifying, investigating, and prosecuting terror financing activities in line with South Africa's risk profile. Through the Cabinet Committee on Justice, Crime Prevention and Security, JCPS, which I chair, we will continue to enforce the implementation of the high-level goals, ensuring that all relevant agencies and departments are addressing these deficiencies as identified by the Financial Action Task Force. So we are busy with that, Honorable Chairperson. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Deputy President. Honorable Ryder.
Thank you very much, Chair. Deputy President, thanks for your answer, such as it was given. Deputy President, South Africans are asking many questions about these high-profile cases that are not being prosecuted or not being seen to be prosecuted. The questions that South Africans are asking are, when will President Ramaphosa be formally charged with money laundering? Will we arrest the Russian war criminal Vladimir Putin when he sets foot in South Africa? Will Didi Mabuza be charged for his corrupt activities before he flees to Russia? When will Zuma be arrested again to finish his jail term? What actions will the NPA take against Arthur Fraser for undermining the criminal justice system and releasing JZ from prison without reason? Which minister will be prosecuted for involvement in Vesta's jailbreak? These are the questions South Africans are asking, Deputy President. Now, you've mentioned in your role as the chair of the Cabinet Committee on Justice, Crime Prevention and Security that you will be enforcing the action plan of the NPA. But Deputy President, while you can't answer these questions, it's up to the NPA to be answering these questions. What tools are you helping them with in your role as the chair of that committee to help the NPA achieve these high-profile prosecutions? Thank you.
Honorable Deputy President.
Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson. Honorable Member, as I said, we will be endorsing the action plan of our law enforcement agencies. Now, we want our law enforcement agencies to do their work without favor and without fear of favor. So there is no one that is special. They must just do their work. So I'm not going to be chasing certain high-profile leaders and so on. The duty of the executive is not to investigate cases, it's the law enforcement agencies, and they must do so. I did say earlier when I answered similar question in the National Assembly that with respect to our own president, we know that he has subjected himself to the process of the law enforcement agencies. He has said so. There is SARS that has given a report. There is the South African Reserve Bank that said they are investigating. The public protector gave a preliminary report. She's still due to give a final report. So let's give that a chance. Let's not, yeah. Let's not interfere. Let's allow these agencies to do their work. They will do so. Thank you very much, Honorable Chairperson.
Thank you very much, Deputy President.